What's up, fellow car enthusiasts? My name is Eric.
I'm JD.
And this is Gridline Go. Today, on this very fine film that you're about to see, is our second episode, or the third of the series, where we are installing the head.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Hi, JD.
Hi. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit.
Okay.
Take our, this is our
Our chrome can.
mystery chrome can fluid, and clean it up a little bit. Now the fun part is that after we do this, there's gonna be a whole bunch of fuzzy things all over it that we're gonna have to remove. Ugh, I hate this stuff.
Well, we have our sexy engine over here. That's gonna get a fresh new head.
Trying to clean it off a little bit.
Give it a little cleaning.
Give it a little cleaning because it needs to be very clean. Clean.
We got some super sexy ARP studs and our, oh my god, some Tomy head gaskets.
Head gasket.
Sorry, it's singular.
Head gasket.
Head gasket.
Head gasket. We're gonna clean this thing up. We're gonna make it really, really clean. And again, if you notice, my hands are a little bit cleaner than they usually are. It's not bad, right? And skin oil is an enemy, and every other type of oil is an enemy. So what we gotta do is after we get all these little fuzzy guys off.
Do some housekeeping?
Yeah, housekeeping.
A little bit of dusting?
A little bit of dusting, but still it doesn't come off all the way. Now, put some of these guys in.
Dudes!
Studs!
Such a stud you are.
Ooh, we got washers, nuts, and one that got away. Okay. Sticker?
Sticker?
Don't use that.
I wanted that.
Okay, here, I got a sticker for you, bud.
Oh, thanks. And that's the end of the episode.
Alright, we're gonna put these guys in. Now, there is an up and a down.
What's the torque spec to it?
There is an up and a down. It should tell us, because both of these guys will probably have conflicting things.
No instructions. Put that away.
Okay, you're right. No instructions. You're right. Screw the box too. All right. So we're gonna put some of these guys in, but first
we need that. But first we need that.
Put some of these guys in, and
some sexy alignment.
You just kind of go home. They kind of don't really. They're fine. They don't really matter. See, good enough. Now,
Studley.
Yes, Studley. These are pre-lubed.
Are these upgraded then? Are these like stronger than typical?
Yeah, they are, because the bolts.
Do these come with? They don't typically come with bolts. They come with studs.
No,
they come with studs.
These come with bolts. These come with bolts.
The factory engine.
Factory
bolts.
Engine bolts.
And why are you doing studs?
I am doing studs because they are a bit stronger, and I've seen a lot of conflicting things depending on years, what the torque spec is. Torque spec is whether or not it's torque to yield. You know, stretch bolts would have to be replaced, or ones that you can reuse, and then measuring them and all this stuff. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna put studs in it. That way I don't have to think about it.
So when you boost it, it will hold all that power.
Yeah, I'm not gonna boost it.
Oh.
Technically, here's another fun thing. Technically, this engine is actually not supposed to be in this car, except on USDM models, because the one that came in it is either a KA18, that was the earlier one, KA18 DET, or an SR20 DET. Everything's sexy.
Hey, real quick, why does this one have or doesn't have valve reliefs, but the one over there does? The one that you pulled out.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, those valve reliefs? I made those.
Why would you make valve reliefs?
I just made them. It was great. Yeah, that's why we're here.
Oh, it's the head.
Yeah.
Your old head, your bent valves.
Yes. Please stop wearing it, rubbing it in. Sad now.
They relieved themselves.
They relieved themselves. Here we go. Ready?
YouTube and Facebook, we can.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, I was worried. See that? Very worried. We're good.
This is an unboxing video. Cool.
Theoretically.
Oh, stickers! Hell yeah!
You got stickers?
Screw the head gasket. I got ARP, I got Tommy stickers. Son of a bitch.
Ready? That's there.
Nice head, bro.
Yeah, thanks.
You're gonna give that KA a head?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it some head. Give this KA a little head. Now.
The intake goes on the intake side.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Did I get it? Did I nail it? Did I do it right? I think I did. I'm just hoping. Okay, she went home.
She's coming together!
Very, very careful with that. That is very delicate.
Oh, hey, a timing cover.
As you can see, it's definitely not cleaned, because we will deal with that later. But you do want to make sure to put that on there. Make sure that everything's all lined up enough to put bolts in it. And you can see through that there is. Okay, it says torque 270 to three equal steps.
So I'm gonna
70.
torque it to 80.
So I'm gonna take it. So I'm gonna torque it to 80. No, actually, I'm gonna torque it up to 80 because
The fancy torque wrench
it's
you
a
got there.
little bit better. Okay. Ooh, genitally. I think I kind of like starting there. We're gonna snug them all down.
What was that?
That was 13.
Well,
Hi.
that one's done.
Yep.
Your head is officially torqued. All right, well, it's the strike of midnight, and that is done
Yep.
for this episode.
No, it's
at
not
least.
done. It's so far from done.
So far from done. We are gonna go over doing mathing and valving.
Lots of mathing.
Mathing and valving.
Shin bucket
Shin
stuff.
buckets.
Shin bucket stuff.
This is getting bad. So it's gonna be great, yeah.
Yay!
Okay. And if
Let us
you
know.
want to keep up to date on our 240 build, hit the notification bell.
Ding ding.
Ring it, and then we will get a notification saying, hey, we got a new video out. So we're coming out with videos weekly, and we're probably going to end up bumping that up a little bit more, and that will be now twice a week. Yeah. So it's going to be a little bit more work, but for you guys,
Totally worth it.
totally worth it.